Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. Currently we could see a bullish trend right here on Pound USD, and my anticipation is that I've seen this before, and basically I just drew this little pattern because I need to break in here and probably come all the way to this region. But within the week we might probably see Pound USD come into these areas to pick up orders. My very good bet is around 120.50, 120.40, tip into here, and then we could see price start going up. If we keep this if we go into the 2 hours time frame, we could see bit clearly where we are targeting our areas of 123.25 regions. And last week I anticipated my price would just hold on to these regions of support at 121.75 and keep pushing price up, but we'll see price come back into this area one more time. And my anticipation for the week is the price will be very much bullish, and going forward we'll see how price plays out between now and Wednesday when we track for Wednesday. So basically this is my anticipation: a break into these regions, a retest. I'm anticipating price to come up for these weeks. Why? Because you could see basically from this region here there are wicks around this region, yeah. So basically this is my anticipation: price come back to retest this region and we'll see price go all the way up. Otherwise, I always say that, otherwise if price breaks below these structures of 1.1965 regions, then we might just see price probably just go bearish, or we'll see a change in structure. I'll see you guys on Wednesday, and let's see how Pound USD will play out. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. It's Wednesday and Pound USD actually went the opposite way. I anticipated this drop right here, but guess what? I was over here on the 15 minutes time frame waiting. I don't know, I was just like something was holding me back. I was seeing this inverse head and shoulder pattern right here. Saw this consolidation just when I was about to enter. Price dropped, and when price dropped I just got a little bit discouraged of entering the price, because I don't know if it just reverse backwards and all that. I was actually waiting for price to probably come a little bit to this region and I'll enter, and then price just dropped and it kept dropping. So going to the 1 hour, we could see price really dropped over 100 pips. Yeah, over 100 pips, over 100 pips. 121.00, this is 190.00, over 200 pips actually yesterday. Going forward, we could see that price is actually bearish right now, and except there is a new price pulling up to these regions and retesting it. For now I'll probably be seeing price drop. The reason is, if we come over here to the DXY, we'll see DXY making new highs of 106, and it doesn't look like it's dropping anytime soon. So we might just get a little reversal, but we just know that price is to the upside on the DXY, and then to the Pound USD is to the downside. So basically we'll be looking for entries to sell, and targets will be, let's look at the larger time frame perspective here. Let's put it on the weekly. On the weekly here we could see basically that we'll be anticipating price to come into these regions of 118, 117, and probably 114. We don't know, but I still think that price will reject this region here and start going back up, but we'll see that in the nearest future. For now I think we'll be looking for opportunities to sell, except otherwise. I'll see you guys on Friday, and let's see how G will play out. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. I anticipated on Wednesday that price might still be in a bearish structure, and we could see price keep dropping. Yeah, but I actually indicated on the larger time frame perspective on the weekly. I said price might still just start pulling up from this region, because this is a very strong region on the weekly time frame. We can't just easily just break through, right? So basically we can see price rejecting from this region. Now back to this time frame, what I'm anticipating is two things. Yeah, price is already rejecting here, and more like one touch two of the thread line, of the downward trend line. So, and also this structure here. So price will probably break it, retest the region around this region, and we would see price come all the way to 119.37 one more time, forming another structure of probably an inverse head and shoulder pattern, and then we could see price continue upward. Otherwise it's just going to be a continuous bearish structure. If you look at the DXY, we could see DXY is currently creating a strong resistance around this region here. I'm watching carefully on the London session. If price breaks it significantly, that means there will be a continuous drop of pound USD going forward. Otherwise, if price start retracing back to these entries, this pull up here, like this breakout here, then we could possibly on the pound USD see price start going back upwards, breaking this trend line. So I'll be comfortable to buy if price breaks through this 120.50 region, retest it, and we could see price come up. Otherwise, I still much look at the bearish trend here: lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high. I'm anticipating another lower low. If it doesn't create another lower low, then we'll be seeing price go, maybe become bullish, forming bullish structures. For now, I think going forward I'll be looking for entries to go short, like opportunities to go short, opportunities to go short around these regions, and break it, retest, and then we could see price come all the way to this region. It's a good risk to reward, and probably this region. After that, we'll know where price will go from there. I'll see you guys on Monday, and let's see how pound USD will play out. Ciao.